Hi everyone. Welcome to Learn with Venky. Today, we're going to learn about couples and mechanics in a simple and easy way. Let's get started. A couple is a pair of equal and opposite forces acting on a body at different points. These forces do not cancel each other out, but create rotation. Unlike a single force, which can move an object in a straight line, a couple only causes turning motion. A simple example is turning a steering wheel. When you push with one hand and pull with the other, you apply a couple that rotates the wheel. The same concept applies to using a wrench or opening a bottle cap. The strength of a couple is measured by multiplying one of the forces by the distance between them. This is called the moment of the couple. Since the forces are equal and opposite, they don't move the object forward or backward, only in rotation. Couples are important in engineering, helping design machines, vehicles, and tools that require controlled rotation. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to Learn with Venky for more simple engineering lessons. See you in the next video.